Hey, welcome back to the show. Peptide therapy is one of the most talked about trends in wellness right now, but what is it exactly and how does it work?
Dr. Kathy Gaumer and certified consultant Amanda Schlup from Regain Functional Medicine are in studio to break down the science and clear up the confusion. We were just talking about during the commercial. There's so much information out there right now, so it's good to have you guys here to kind of clear out the noise. So talk to us a little bit. Why did Regain Functional Medicine Aesthetics decide to start offering peptide therapy?
Well, Kerrigan, I think you hit it right on the head. It is because there's so much information out there. There's so much noise. You cannot be on any kind of social media platform without getting, I don't know how many things thrown at you. So we really wanted to bring this into our medical practice to try to kind of wade through all of that for our patients. We've been hormone practice for many years, since 2015. Yes. And so we're kind of known for hormone replacement therapy for women, testosterone therapy for men. And throughout that time, we brought in other services to help with longevity and just maintaining good health as we age. So this was a natural extension of that. And we've had, well, our first peptides were GLPs. Yeah. Which we started in, I think, 2023. So this was just like the next step in helping our patients maintain good health.
Yeah. You kind of touched on it a little bit, but how long have you been offering this? And do you have to have special training or anything to be able to work in this field?
Yeah. So we started offering early spring, March, I think. Yes. And as of right now, yes, all of our nurses who are doing consultations go through a peptide certification, as well as myself. Yeah. So they're very well knowledgeable and can get you a really good, start for what you need.
And walk you through some of probably the questions.
They do advanced training. So a lot of times, you know, when we were talking about online stuff and you can order things online, not saying that that's necessarily bad, but you sometimes don't know where it's coming from and what's actually in the vial. And so talking to a certified peptide specialist, they've had to undergo certain advanced training techniques and advanced knowledge in peptide therapy. So you at least know that you're talking to someone who kind of knows what they're doing.
Oh yeah. Well, speaking of those who maybe don't know what this is, kind of break down what actually is a peptide and how they actually work, because I feel like you hear peptides, it kind of can be a buzzword, but what really is that?
Yeah. You weren't in biochemistry?
I was more in the journalism classes, creative writing, but
well, good. And I wish I was now too. But, so not to get into a whole lot of biosciences. Peptides are essentially, we'll say, short strings of amino acids that signal within cells, and it tells the cell how to repair, how to reduce inflammation, how to recover from injury. And like everything else, as we age, those things go away or they get depleted. So your body cannot respond as effectively as it did when you were younger. So what we do is we're just replacing those peptides, the ones that we lose as we age.
Oh yeah, we were talking, like you said before, after the commercial break, about all the different things that they can do. So talk a little bit about that. What peptides do you offer and how do they work and what do they do?
So currently right now we offer over 20 different peptides, including some of the popular blends you've probably heard about. Yeah. They can help with anything as far as weight loss, your strength and fitness, your inflammation, sleep, longevity.
Gosh, sign me up for all.
I know, I was just gonna say.
Yeah, something for everything.
Yeah.
And a lot of them are included in blends because a lot, you don't want to necessarily have to inject 10 or 12 different things. So some of them are combined together in what's called a blend or a stack, so that everything's all in one shot. So we really enjoy those as well.
Oh yeah. Well, talk to us. What is the process for a new patient, especially if they want to get more information and reach out to you guys about this?
Sure. Well, obviously we have two offices. We have our office in Lawrence and one here in Leawood in Kansas City. And so if you are an in-person, like to come in, we can set you up for consultation in office. And then we also do telehealth appointments as well, so whatever's convenient.
So cool. And if people want more information right now, they want to dig into this more because it does sound like a pretty exciting new thing for them. Where do they go?
So our website at ifeelmuchbetter.com has a list of all the peptides we offer, a description of what they are. You can do online booking there as well with myself or one of our certified nurses.
Awesome. Well, guys, thank you so much for being here today and just breaking this down, because like we said, you can get overwhelmed with all the information, but you guys do a great job of really explaining it to us. So thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
Yes.